Students, today we are going to learn about triangle. First you have draw triangle. So ABC triangle drawn. Triangle has three sides. Triangle has how many sides? Three sides. So AB, BC and CA are three sides. A, B and C, three vertex. B and C are vertices. So ABC is a triangle. AB, BC and CA are three sides. A, B and C are vertex. And triangle has three angles. So angle A, here in this sum, A 60 degree, B 60 degree and C equal to 60 degree. So angle A 60 degree, angle B 60 and angle C 60 degree. And angle A equal to 6 centimeter, AB 6 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, AC 6 centimeter. Here ABC triangle is given. Sides of triangles are equal. All sides are equal. AB equal to 6 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter and AC 6 centimeter. All angles are equal. Angle A equal to 60, angle B equal to 60 and angle C equal to 60 degree. Three sides are equal. So this triangle is called equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. This triangle is called equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, three sides are equal and three angles are equal. So this is called as an equilateral triangle. Here ABC triangle is given. AB equal to base. So base equal to B and height equal to, we denoted the letter H. So base equal to B and height equal to H. Area of the triangle equal to half into base into height. What is the formula for area of the triangle? Area of the triangle equal to half into B into H square unit. So area of the triangle equal to half BH square unit. Perimeter of the triangle equal to sum of three sides. Triangle has three sides. Sum of three sides. You add three sides, you get the perimeter of triangle. Suppose you have equilateral triangle, then perimeter of triangle equal to 3A. All sides are equal in equilateral triangle. So perimeter of the triangle equal to 3A units. So perimeter of triangle equal to sum of three sides, that is 3A units. First we solve one sum. Here given B equal to 8 centimeter and height equal to 4 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. So first you write given. So B equal to 8 centimeter and height H equal to 4 centimeter. What is the formula for area of triangle? Area of the triangle equal to half into B into H square unit. So half into B into H. Here B equal to 8 centimeter and H equal to 4 centimeter. Substitute the value for this formula. So B equal to 8 centimeter and H equal to 4 centimeter. So 1 by 2 into 8 into 4. You cancel by 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. Next 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16 centimeter square. So area of the triangle equal to 16 centimeter square. So B equal to 8 centimeter, H equal to 4 centimeter is given. First you write the formula. Area of the triangle equal to half into B into H. Next you substitute the value for given B and H. So half into 8 into 4. Next cancel by 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. So 4 into 4, 16 centimeter square equal to area of the triangle. Next sum, find the base of the triangle. If area of the triangle is 150 meter square and height is 15 meter. Here given area and height. So area of triangle equal to 150 meter square and height h equal to 15 meter is given. You find the base B. So first you write the formula. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle equal to, what is the formula for area of triangle? Area of triangle equal to half into B into H square unit. Area of the triangle equal to half into B into H square unit. First you substitute the value. Area of the triangle is 150 meter square and half into B into H equal to 15. H equal to 15 meter. Here 150 equal to half into B into 15. In this sum, divide 2, it goes to opposite, becomes multiple 2. Multiple 15, it goes to opposite, it becomes divide 15. So B equal to 150 into 2 divided 15. Here 150 by 15. 15 table, you cancel by 15 table. 115 is 15. 10 15s are 150. So 10 into 2, 20. So 20 equal to B. So B equal to 20 meter. So B equal to 20 meter. Area of the triangle equal to half into B into H. First you write the formula. Next you substitute the given values. Area of the triangle is 150 and height equal to 15. So 150 equal to half into B into 15. Next you find B. So divide 2, it goes to opposite, becomes multiple 2. And multiple 15, it goes to opposite, it becomes divided 15. Next 150 into 2 by 15 equal to B. So 150 by 15, cancel by 15 table. So 115 is 15, 10 15s are 150. So 10 into 2, 20. B equal to 20 meter. So base of the triangle equal to 20 meter. That's a find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side is 7 cm. Here equilateral triangle is given and the side A equal to 7 cm is given. First you write the formula. So perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle. What is the formula for perimeter of an equilateral triangle? Perimeter of an equilateral triangle equal to sum of 3 sides. Here all sides are equal. So 3 sides are equal. So 3A is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Here A equal to 7 cm. You substitute the value. 7. 3 7s are 21. So 21 cm is the perimeter of an given equilateral triangle. So first you write the formula for equilateral triangle. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle equal to 3A. Next you substitute the value for A. Here A equal to 7 cm. So 3 7s are 21 cm is the perimeter of a given equilateral triangle.